Hey everybody, so today we're going to go over this TV stand that I got from FitUIs. So super stoked about this, great company, and the instructions are super easy, and it does come with all of your tools and parts from all your crescent wrenches and screwdrivers and everything you're going to need. It all comes with it, which is just really super nice. So I have it all set up here all the way up to putting the TV on. So these will be your mounts, and it's really nice. They are adjustable too, so you can move them up and down as you see fit depending on what size your TV is. And what's really nice too, it does come with these little bags out front, so you can put like your flicker, stuff like that. What's really nice, they are dust proof and waterproof, so if they do get a little wet from somebody spilling, kids spilling on them, they're gonna drip dry right off. And tons of different space and room, so you can put like remotes or anything like that too in it, just like so. And then just a really nice wood design, and then this is just gonna fit wherever you're gonna put it really nice. So it's gonna be a nice home decoration. What's really nice too, it does come in 6 trendy colors as well, and then it just does have that height design gauge. So depending on how big your TV is, we have a pretty big TV here, so we're gonna put it right on here. So if you're looking for a really nice TV mount, I definitely recommend checking this out. Next step is to put the TV on, and it does come with all your parts, so super easy, and it's ready for the TV. So definitely check this bad boy out. It's gonna look really nice in your house.